Kate was here at home, still stuck in quarantine. So what do people do when they're stuck in quarantine? They go online shopping and buy things they don't really need. If you're a loyal follower of my blog, you'll know that I've never outgrown Hello Kitty. I love Hello Kitty. Check out my latest purchase, the Hello Kitty and Friends Minis Carnival Pencil Playset. I've had my eye on this for months now and I finally purchased it. Let's unbox. So, how much is it? On Shopee and Lazada, it's 1,800 pesos. On Amazon, it goes up to $28. And on Mattel's official website, it's $19.99. Find the links in my description box below. This was on my Shopee cart for months, but I waited until the magical price drop, which came on the July payday sale. Woohoo! The original price is 1,800 pesos, which they slashed down to 1,530 with free shipping, minus 20 peso voucher, minus 200 Shopee coins, which brings the total to only 1,310 pesos. Woohoo! There's also a beach version, but I like the Carnival one better. As for my verdict, it's so cute! The interactive toy comes with a short pencil, a Hello Kitty eraser, a ruler, a Hello Kitty and Keroppi pencil topper, and a sticker sheet. But let's be realistic, this is more of a toy than a pencil case for school. It's also a bit tricky to fit all the items into the case, but hey, you'll get the hang of it. And while you're here, check out my TikTok account at Replicate, where you'll see my collection of Hello Kitty stuff from the 80s, 90s, and beyond, plus many other quirks. Thanks for watching. Kate was here. Bye!